Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I start my elderberries. Now first, start with a good cutting. See, this cutting has 1, 2, 3, it has 4 sets of nodes on it. Now this node is going to go all the way in the dirt, and then you're going to have 3 other nodes that will start putting on leaves and starting the foliage. Now first what I do is I take the cutting and I scrape a little bit of that hard bark off to expose the green layer. Now you don't have to do this, but I just like to do it just because I heard it helps a little bit, and I mean I have pretty good success doing it. And then I just take rooting hormone. This is just one that I had, but you can use whichever one you like. And I just roll it around in there. You get a good coating on it. Then I have these bags. See, I like using the bag method because when your roots start, you can start seeing the roots go down the bag, and you can see, you can see everything that's going on in here. Now see, these bags, you can find these on like Uline, Amazon, whatever. All it is it's a 4-inch by 8-inch poly bag. Now, this is a mix of cocoa peat, perlite, and vermiculite. I use this because it helps retain moisture, and it'll help the roots like develop easily without retaining too much moisture and letting them rot. But see, I got this one full. I got a hole already in it. But I'm going to take my cutting, just set it down in there, and just pack the medium around it a little bit. And there you go. Now what I do is I just set them in a bin like this that I can put a cover on. And that cover, what it's gonna do is it's gonna keep the moisture in, and it's gonna allow the cutting not to dry out, and it's gonna let the roots develop and everything, and let everything start growing, and so it'll become another plant. See, I have all my cuttings in there. I still gotta finish filling it up, but all these will become plants. But all this stuff is readily available. It's actually a really, really easy process. I've been doing it for a few years now, and the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. And you'll learn, which methods work better than others. But thanks everybody for watching. Happy gardening.